What's the meaning of coal-fired? Coal-fired. Coal-fired.
Coal-fired. Coal-fired. Coal-fired refers to the use of coal as a fuel source for producing heat or electricity. When coal is burned, it releases harmful pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter into the air. These pollutants can lead to serious health problems, including respiratory and cardiovascular issues. Additionally, coal-fired power plants are one of the largest sources of greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to climate change. The continued use of coal-fired power generation poses significant risks to both human health and the environment, highlighting the need for alternative and cleaner energy sources.